This video will show you how to remove the front and rear brakes on 2019 and newer Ram 1500.
All right, so we're gonna go get our front caliper off. The bolts are 16mm bolts on the back side, so we're gonna take them off now. All right, we're gonna take out two 16mm bolts here and here. All right, we can take our caliper off and hang it up with our caliper tool. Just hanging on the upper control arm here. All right, we're gonna take our flathead screwdriver, just gently pry our pads off. All right, and then we can grab our ratchet with our 21mm socket and take our two bolts off for our caliper bracket. All right, now we can take our rotor off. It's held on with a T30 bolt right here. So we're gonna grab a ratchet and our socket and take it off. All right, now you just repeat the same thing for the other side. All right, we're gonna start with removing the rear brakes. Before you do that, you just wanna make sure that the rear brakes are in service mode because of the electronic parking brake, just so you don't damage anything. All right, so we're gonna start, we're gonna take our caliper bolts off. It's 12mm socket, so let's do that now. All right, we're gonna take our two bolts out here and here. All right, then we can pull our caliper off. All right, we're gonna grab a caliper hanger tool and just hang it up on the spring over here. All right, we're going to remove our pads now. If you want, you just get a flathead screwdriver. Just pop out the retaining springs on top and bottom. And then if you need to, you can use a screwdriver to also wiggle the pads out. All right, next we're going to take our caliper bracket off. It's gonna be two 21mm bolts on the back side here. All right, now to get the rotor off, we just have our one screw holding on the front, the T30, so we're just grab a ratchet and socket, take that off. All right, you just repeat the same thing for the other side.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Ram, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.